Hello guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making Asun spicy roasted goat meat. So sit down, relax, let's get cooking. Ingredients: we have goat meat, onions, spring onions, scotch bonnet pepper, red and green bell pepper, we have paprika, we have thyme, we have bay leaf, we have seasoning cube, we have vegetable oil and salt to taste. I'm going to start by seasoning the meat. I'm adding the onions, one seasoning cube, my paprika powder. Fun fact, I had paprika to almost everything I cook, and also my thyme. So I'm going to be adding curry powder, which I forgot to show you guys while I was filming the ingredients. And also our salt to taste. Just stir everything together and allow it to cook. And while the goat meat is cooking, I'm going to be prepping my ingredients for the sauce. I just added the onions, the scotch bonnet, half a red bell pepper, and also have green bell pepper. The meat is ready. You can see there is not much water inside because I did not add any water to the meat. I just allowed the goat meat to produce its own juice. This stage our meat is ready. I'm going to be putting it in the oven for about 30 minutes, but if you want it to be very dry, you can leave it for at least 40 minutes. While the meat is in the oven, I just added some vegetable oil to the pan. So I'm adding some spring onions, I'm adding my green bell pepper, now I'm going to be adding my pepper mix, the onions, scotch bonnet, and the green and red bell pepper that I blended together. You can see it's not very smooth because you don't want your pepper to be too smooth. It will not come out well. Now I'm going to be adding my paprika powder, and also a tiny bit of seasoning cube. You know you already seasoned your meat, so you don't have to add too too much seasoning cube, just a little bit, and some salt. Yes guys, the meat is ready. It's about to go down. Look at the sauce, is all dried up. Yeah, I did not add too much oil to my sauce, but you can choose to if you want to. I don't like oil. Wow, look at that. If at this stage you've not given me a thumbs up, what are you still waiting for? So I'm going to be adding the remaining spring onions for that final garnishing. Yummy! At this stage, our asun is ready. Our spicy roasted goat meat or peppered goat meat, anyone you want to call it.